In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check car insurance on Progressive Insurance. To get started, head over to the official Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app on your phone or tablet. Either option works well, so you can use whichever is more convenient for you. If you're on a computer, the website may feel easier for reviewing full policy details. If you're on the go, the app is a quick and practical choice. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account so you can access the right insurance information. If you normally save your login details on your device, this step may only take a moment. After signing in, look for your policies. If you have more than one policy with Progressive, such as home, renters, or another vehicle policy, select the auto insurance policy you want to check. This is important because the details you see will depend on the specific policy you open. Next, review your policy details carefully. This section usually gives you the most important information about your car insurance. You can check your coverage limits to understand what your policy includes, look at your deductibles to see what you would pay out of pocket in certain situations, and confirm your premium amount so you know what your insurance costs. You should also review the policy effective dates to make sure your coverage is active, and verify the vehicles listed on the policy so everything is accurate and up to date. If you need proof of insurance, go to the Insurance ID Cards section. From there, you can usually view your digital ID cards, download them, or print them out. This can be helpful if you need to show proof of coverage during registration after a traffic stop, or anytime you want to keep a copy in your vehicle. You can also take a moment to review your billing and payment status. Check that your recent premium payments have gone through, look for any upcoming due dates, and confirm whether there's any remaining balance on the account. This is a good way to avoid missed payments or accidental lapses in coverage. Finally, if anything needs to be changed, go to the Manage Policy section. This is where you may be able to update your information or review changes to your coverage. If the update you need isn't available online, contact Progressive directly for help. That's how to check your car insurance on Progressive quickly and confidently.